Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate syrup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, water, and a tiny pinch of salt. Using a good quality, cocoa makes a big difference in the final taste, so choose wisely. Precise measurements are key for a perfectly balanced syrup, ensuring delicious results every time you make it. This easy guide will have you enjoying homemade hot chocolate in no time. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your dry ingredients, the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Whisk them together thoroughly to ensure they are well mixed. Next, gradually add the water, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Continue to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until the syrup thickens slightly to your desired consistency. This process creates a rich base. Once your syrup has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. This is the perfect time to add a splash of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. For an extra twist, consider stirring in a dash of cinnamon or even a tiny pinch of chili powder to create a unique, spiced hot chocolate. Allow the syrup to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your homemade hot chocolate syrup will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Now for the best part, enjoying your delicious homemade hot chocolate syrup. To make a comforting cup of hot chocolate, simply stir 2 to 3 tablespoons of the syrup into a mug of warm milk. You can also get creative and drizzle it over ice cream, use it as a topping for pancakes, or mix it into your morning coffee for a mocha treat. The possibilities are endless with this versatile syrup. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience. Enjoy your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.